This is the new tool that I was talking about in the last video. This will make moving these timbers around so much easier. I was using those little furniture movers you get at Lowe's. They hold the material like 5 inches off the ground. That was a real pain. I mean, it got the stuff in here because the sawmill is behind the camera about, 40 feet away. And getting the timber for the timber frame from the sawmill in here to these sawhorses was a real pain. So this right here should make it a whole lot easier. So this tool is called the BTS hauler, and it's made by Rite. That's the same people that make the cant hooks that we use, and also the table legs on that walnut table I did a video on a few months ago. The same company, they make all that stuff. This tool has several different uses, and one of them is to move slabs around. How it's assembled right now, you could throw your slabs on here while you're sawmilling and just wheel them out of the way. Take them over to your burn pile, your firewood pile, or your resaw pile, or whatever. Because at the end of the day, it gets old just carrying these slabs around all the time. Let me tell you, it just really gets old. That's the worst part about sawmilling, is discarding the slabs and taking them over to your burn pile or firewood or whatever. One nice feature it has these removable arms right here that come out. And once you put them in here, there's 4 of them, you can really stack your slabs up pretty high. And the weight capacity is really impressive. This thing will hold up to 1,500 pounds. Now, when I ordered this from Rite a few weeks ago and I called them up, one thing I was looking to do was find something to make it easier to move these timbers around. And here's why this will be easier. So you take this arm out, and it has this little base that comes out. We're gonna leave it in there, of course. It's got 4 holes in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on the sawmill and saw up some pine, probably a little nominal size 4x4 to place in here. And what we'll do is mount 2 of these in here and have a log deck up here to put our timbers on for moving them to the sawmill into here. So this essentially has another function right there, moving around finished lumber or slabs off the sawmill to your kiln or to your drying stack or whatever. So that's the main reason I got it. I was looking to find something that was a really heavy duty to move these timbers around, because I'm getting ready to saw some tie beams, and those are 8x10x14, and I definitely don't want to put those on those furniture movers to bring them in here. This right here will handle them very easily. You can also convert this into a 2-wheel dolly, and I'll put a picture up showing you guys that off the website. I got the attachment over here against the wall that goes on the bottom. it.